Hello everybody, so today I will talk about chemistry. The topic today is moles. If there is 2.0 multiplied with 10 to the power of 11 stars in the galaxy, how many moles of stars? So to answer the question, we need to find about the mole equals to the number of the star divided to Avogadro number. So we got about 2.0 multiplied with 10 to the power of 11 divided to 6.02 to multiply with 10 to the power of 23, and you will got about 3.32 multiply with 10 to the power of 13, and this is about the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.